Hello boys and girls, ladies and gents. I think that covers everyone again. What I came across was this old, looks like a carburettor, I think. I could be wrong. It came off a lawnmower, petrol lawnmower. So what we're going to do with that is utilise it somewhere in the shed. Now as you can see where I've laid it, there's already holes pre-drilled. Don't want to bore you, no pun intended, with drilling holes. So let's fix it down and I'll show you what it's for. Sorry, I had a screw in my mouth there. Let's fix it down and show you what it's for. Take two. One and two. And what we'll use that for is screwdrivers. Put our stars up the top, straight edge on the bottom, and these are called dumpies in Scotland. I don't know what they're called anywhere else, but there we have our dumpies as well. So as you can see, nice resting place at the end of the bench, easy to grab and looks pretty cool. So join us next time. Cheery bye.